Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can use the split screen feature on Google Chrome, for example, to have various tabs in Google Chrome open in a split screen view here on your display, guys. Like for example, one tab here on the left hand side of your display and the other one on the right half. So let us guide you through this. It is very simple. Head over to Google Chrome and access the first tab you would like to have, for example, displayed on the left hand or left half of your display. And once that's done, guys, simply press and hold the Windows key on your keyboard and press arrow to the left on your keyboard, just like that. And what you want to do after that is simply select the second tab here at the top, left click on it and hold it, and simply move the given tab here outside that window on the left, and simply release your mouse once you have moved the given tab here to the right half of your display and release it there. Now you're using a split screen like this. You may, for example, adjust the size and to enhance the experience. And that's basically it, guys. You can repeat that as often as you like with as many tabs as you want. So that's how you split screen on Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and see you next time.